Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, now in this session we will be continue remaining chemical properties of aldehydes and ketone. Already I very clearly explained in my previous session 5 category of the chemical properties from the aldehyde and ketone. Number 1, nucleophilic additional reactions across C double bond O bond, and number 2, replacement of oxygen of carbonyl compound, and number 3, oxidations reaction, and number 4, reductions reaction, and number 5, substitutions reactions of alkyl group. It's nothing but halogenation. Now we will start from sixth one, chemical properties from aldehyde and ketone, reactions with alkalis. My dear students, the 6th chemical properties of aldehyde ketones are very important, not only in board level, even commutative entrance also it's the most important. That's why all chemical properties are generally important, but some special chemical properties such as reductions reaction, oxidations reaction, even now right now reactions with the alkalis also very important. So see here in this reactions with alkalis. Now my dear student, the entire reactions with alkalis, one special name is there. The name is aldol condensation. Write down in your notebook, aldol condensation. It's the most important part in aldehyde and ketone, aldol condensation. It means in this chemical reaction involving alpha hydrogen, it means carbonyl compound contains must be alpha hydrogen. That alpha hydrogen are involved in the condensation process. This process is known as commonly aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. See right now here the statement, it is a chemical reaction. See here Nana, it is a chemical reaction in which 2 or more molecules of same or different carbonyl compound. This is the most important. It is a chemical reaction in which 2 or more molecules of same or different carbonyl compound containing alpha hydrogen atom. It means if carbonyl compounds involved in the aldol condensation, what is the basic point right now here? It has same carbonyl compounds or different carbonyl compounds also involved in the presence of, see here, containing, see Nana, the carbonyl compounds are involved. It's containing alpha hydrogen and together in the presence of diluted base NaOH or BaOH twice or K2CrO3 to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone. This reaction is called aldol condensation. Once again I repeated, my dear students, in this chemical reaction, if aldehydes or ketone, it's nothing but carbonyl compounds are involved in the chemical reaction in the presence of these optimum condition. What are the optimum condition? Diluted base such as NaOH or barium hydroxide and potassium carbonate. So to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone. This is called aldol condensation. Again I repeated this statement, my dear student. If carbonyl compounds are involved in the aldol condensation, 2 important points. Point number 1, aldehydes are ketone compulsory containing alpha hydrogen. First important point. After second point is, if this alpha hydrogen aldehydes or ketone in the presence of the sodium hydroxide or barium hydroxide or potassium carbonate, hence to obtain beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. This entire the reaction name is aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. It's a clear ma? Now once again repeated, carbonyl compound such as aldehyde and ketone containing the alpha hydrogen atom, these are again involved in the chemical reaction in the presence of the sodium hydroxide and barium hydroxide or potassium carbonate to form beta hydroxy aldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. In case of the aldehydes are involved in this reaction, beta hydroxy aldehyde is formed, and in case of ketones are involved in this reaction, beta hydroxy ketones are obtained. This entire the process is commonly known as the aldol condensation. Now see Nana. Characteristics of aldol condensation. Characteristics, this is board level is most important. What are the major characteristics of in aldol condensation? See first one, these reactions may take place between either same or different aldehyde. Underline this point. If this the aldol condensation, maybe two same category of aldehydes are involved or different category of aldehydes also involved, and similarly and one aldehyde, one ketones also involved. One aldehyde, one ketones also involved, and third one same or different ketones also involved. So first point is the characteristics of the aldol condensation in carbonyl compounds such as aldehyde or ketone. For example, same or different aldehydes are involved. Second one, either aldehyde or ketones are combined together, and third one, same or different ketones are involved. Okay ma? And see, the carbonyl compound must contain alpha hydrogen atom which is involved in aldol condensation in the presence of in the presence of NaOH or Na2CO3 or barium hydroxide. So these are the first important characteristic. What is the first important characteristic? If carbonyl compound involved in the aldol condensation, the combination same or different aldehyde or same or different ketone or one aldehyde and one ketone. Here carbonyl compound compulsory containing the alpha hydrogen, and optimum condition is the diluted alkali such as NaOH and barium hydroxide and Na2CO3. Now here one more important point, see ma, formaldehyde through contains no alpha hydrogen atom, it undergoes aldol condensation. Formaldehyde through contains no alpha hydrogen atom at aldol condensation. Now second point, new carbon to carbon linkage is formed. So here in this aldol condensation, new carbon to carbon linkage is formed. New carbon to carbon linkage is formed. And third one, the condensation product, that is either aldol, the condensation product, listen Nana, the condensation product such as aldol lose a molecule of water, to form either alpha or beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketone. Unsaturated aldehydes and ketone. These are the characteristics of the aldol condensation. Once again I repeated simple statement. My dear students, aldehydes and ketone whenever reacted with alkalis, here from the carbonyl compound alpha hydrogens are involved. If the alpha hydrogens are involved in this process, aldol is obtained. This aldol, listen carefully, this aldol after losing of the water molecule and ultimately alpha or beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones are obtained. These are the most important point. See my dear student, in aldol condensation generally unsaturated aldehyde, alpha or beta unsaturated aldehydes are obtained. So again I repeated my dear student, carbon in this entire the aldol condensation, three important points. Point number one, carbonyl compound compulsory containing the alpha hydrogen. In this carbonyl compound, whenever treated with alkalis such as sodium hydroxide or barium hydroxide and potassium carbonate to form aldol. That aldol, after losing of the water molecule, finally alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones are obtained. This entire the concept is called aldol condensation. Okay ma'am. Now here some important aldol condensation. If aldehyde, already I said Nana, what kind of combinations are connected together in this process, either aldehyde or ketone. See here, already clearly explained. Same or different aldehydes, or same or different ketones, or one aldehydes and one ketone. These are the combination. This kind of the combination, they are involved in the aldol condensation. Now see here, first category, self-aldol condensation. Self-aldol condensation. It is an important reaction based on the acidity of alpha hydrogen of aldehydes and ketones. Acidity of, this is an important reaction based on the acidity of alpha hydrogen of aldehyde and ketones. Now see Nana, here right side, acetaldehyde, synonym, acetaldehyde undergoes aldol condensation in the presence of the diluted caustic alkali. Diluted caustic alkali means NaOH, diluted caustic alkali or potassium carbonate to form beta hydroxy butyraldehyde or aldol. So first basically, this aldol which on heating with diluted acid loses a water molecule, finally gives alpha or beta unsaturated aldehyde. You know that very well concept. What is the aldol condensation concept? What is the aldol condensation concept? Carbonyl compounds reactions with alkalis. If here carbonyl compounds compulsory containing alpha hydrogen, after aldol is obtained, that aldol again loses of the water molecule, finally unsaturated of alpha beta aldehydes or ketones are obtained. This entire the concepts are generally aldol condensation. Now see my dear students, one best examples are present here. Acetaldehyde. So 2 moles of acetaldehyde, 2 moles CH3CHO1 acetaldehyde and here CH3CHO 2 acetaldehyde. Now my dear student, one aldehyde, this is CHO group, this is alpha hydrogen. Compulsory here same category of aldehydes are involved. Already I said in this process either same aldehyde or different aldehyde or aldehyde or ketones also involved. Now in this case acetaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde contains alpha carbon. Acetaldehyde contains alpha carbon. Now 2 moles of acetaldehyde is there. This 2 moles of acetaldehyde is reactions with alkali, 10% of NaOH or K2CO3 potassium carbonate. Hence aldol is obtained. This is a aldol. So what is the chemical IUPAC name of the aldol? 3-hydroxybutanol. Aldol is obtained, or another name is acetaldol. So aldol is obtained. You know that very well. This aldol again heating with diluted acid. Here H plus nana. I am not mentioned here. H plus, we will put H plus. Heated diluted acid. Aprama water molecule is eliminated. Here water molecule is eliminated. Finally here either alpha beta aldehyde or ketone. Now here taken aldehyde. So here definitely alpha beta aldehyde is obtained. That compound name is a but2-ene-1-ol. Generally this compound name crotonaldehyde. This is the aldol condensation. Very important. Self aldol condensation. This is belongings to the self aldol. Self aldol means if two same category of aldol are involved. So acetaldehyde here 2 same category acetaldehydes are involved. Finally butan 2 in 1-ol. In between of the intermediate product is a aldol, that is name is a 3-hydroxy butanol. Clear ma? Now similarly the condensation takes place with propanol. One more self aldol condensation. This is aldehyde, and one more example, that is a propanol. So now see na 2 moles of propanol, this is a 2 moles of propanol, same 10% of NaOH or K2CO3, and here aldol is obtained. This aldol name is a 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol or beta hydroxy alpha methyl varaldehyde. This is the intermediate product. This is intermediate product treated with mineral acid. On heating, water molecule is eliminated. Finally 2-methyl pent 2 in 1-ol. 2-methyl pent 2 in 1-ol is obtained. This is commonly alpha beta saturated aldehyde. Alpha beta saturated aldehyde. These are the self condensation, self aldol condensation of aldehyde. 2 example, number 1 is a acetaldehyde, number 2 is a propanol. And see one more statement, acetone undergoes aldol condensation. Now ketone na, acetone undergoes aldol condensation in the presence of the barium hydroxide. This is now already successfully completed in aldehyde aldol condensation, self aldol condensation. In case of ketone aldol condensation, now see here, acetone undergoes aldol condensation in the presence of the barium hydroxide to form diacetone alcohol. Underline this point, to form. In case of acetone involved in the aldol condensation in the presence of the barium hydroxide, what is the product? The product name is the, listen very carefully, diacetone alcohol is formed. Diacetone alcohol is formed. This diacetone alcohol loses a water molecule on heating in the iodine, loses a water molecule on heating in the presence of iodine. Finally, my dear students, finally 4-methyl pent 3 in 2-ol, alpha or beta unsaturated ketones are obtained. Unsaturated ketones are obtained. Okay ma? This is the most important point. See, I am not mentioned this equation right now here, but you will try to write this one. Acetone undergoes aldol condensation in the presence of barium hydroxide to form diacetone alcohol. This diacetone alcohol again treated with water in the presence of the iodine. Finally 4-methyl pent 3 in 2-on, 4-methyl pent 3 is obtained. This is commonly name is a mistyl oxide, MEISTL, mistyl oxide is obtained. Mistyl oxide is obtained. Okay ma? This is the self aldol condensation. Now my dear students, one more, cross aldol condensation. Cross, it's nothing but cross means mixing nana. So cross aldol condensation, listen, this aldol condensation of 2 molecule of same aldehyde or ketone is called self aldol condensation. Once again, this aldol condensation 2 molecules of same aldehyde or ketones is called generally self aldol condensation. In self aldol condensation, the aldol condensation of 2 molecules of same aldehyde or ketones, that is called self condensation. The reactions which also takes place between 2 different synonym, if 2 different aldehydes are ketone, 2 different aldehydes are ketone, or between 1 aldehydes are ketone, that is called cross aldol condensation. Cross aldol condensation is nothing but if the aldehydes 2 different, ஒரு aldehyde ஒரு ketone தான், அப்புறமா ஒரு different aldehyde ஒரு different ketones are involved, that is condensation name is the aldol condensation. Now for example here AA condensation. AA condensation means same category of, AA means same category of aldehyde. For example my dear students, very important one, ethanol, 2 moles of ethanol. This is ethanol, this is also ethanol. In the presence of 10% of alkali or NaOH, aldol is obtained. What is this aldol compound name? 3-hydroxybutanol. 3-hydroxybutanol is obtained. This is treated with mineral acid after losing of water molecule, but 2 in 1-ol. But, see, carefully observe, this is alpha carbon, this is a beta carbon. So alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes are obtained. This is a ethanol. In case of one more example, propanol. Propanol means same two category of aldehyde. Propanol, same optimum condition. Final, I written here directly. Cinana, aldol, 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol. After that, this is treated with mineral acid. Finally, 2-methyl pent 2-in-1-ol is obtained. Okay, ma? These are the cross aldol condensations of same category of the aldehyde. Same category of the aldehyde. Okay, ma? Now, see, Nana. In the cross aldol condensation, aldehydes, same category of aldehydes are there, and different category of aldehyde or ketones also present here. Now, next one, Nana. Important point. Formaldehyde or benzaldehyde and benzophenone do not undergo, underline this point, formaldehyde, benzaldehyde or benzophenone do not undergo the aldol condensation since they do not containing alpha hydrogen. However, they undergo cross aldol condensation. So important point, Nana, formaldehyde, benzaldehyde and benzophenone do not undergo aldol condensation since they do not have any alpha hydrogen, but however they are undergoes cross aldol condensation, because self aldol condensation is kadiyadu. Formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, it's not possible, but self aldol condensation is possible. Why? Because if one aldehyde is alpha hydrogen contains, one more aldehyde is not contained, it's possible to the condensation. That's why, my dear students, keep it in your mind, formaldehyde or benzaldehyde, benzophenone does not show any type of self aldol condensation. However, they are undergoes cross aldol condensation. It's a clear, ma'am? Now, see, Nana. With formaldehyde, this is the best example, formaldehyde of cross aldol condensation, but actually formaldehyde not involved in the self aldol condensation. This is a cross aldol condensation. The best example, see right now here, this is formaldehyde, this is acetaldehyde, two different. If formaldehyde means that is a self aldol condensation, it's not possible. So now here is a cross aldol condensation, formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. See here, in this acetaldehyde alpha carbon is there. Now in this alpha carbon, this hydrogen attack to the oxygen. Now in the presence of 10% of NaOH, now 3-hydroxy propanol is obtained. This is a 3-hydroxy propanol. This 3-hydroxy propanol involved in the reacted with mineral acid after losing of the water molecule. Finally, prop 2-in-1-ol. Prop 2-in-1-ol. Generally, this name is a acraldehyde. acraldehyde. Acraldehyde is obtained. So keep it in your mind, my dear students. Formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, and one more example, benzophenone only involved in the cross aldol condensation. They are not involved in the self aldol condensation because of do not contain alpha hydrogen. Do not contain alpha hydrogen. Now see one more example, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde only involved in the cross aldol condensation. So now see this one. B stands for benzaldehyde, A stands for acetaldehyde in the presence of 10% NaOH, and aldol is obtained. This aldol name is 3-hydroxy 3-phenyl propanol. 3-hydroxy 3-phenyl propanol. This is aldol. This is treated with mineral acid. Finally, 3-phenyl prop 2-in-1-ol is obtained. 3-phenyl prop 2-in-1-ol is obtained. This is commonly known as a cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde, important, Nana? Cinnamaldehyde. So these are the two important key points. Formaldehyde and benzaldehyde and benzophenone not involved in the self aldol condensation. They are only involved in the cross aldol condensation because of they are not have any alpha hydrogen. This is the aldol condensation, my dear student. Now about mechanism. Mechanism of aldol condensation, especially acidity of alpha hydrogen. Now how if any one of the two different aldehyde, alpha hydrogen aldehyde or alpha hydrogen ketones are involved reactions with alkalis, how they are formed aldol After aldol involved with mineral acid, how final product is obtained, such as either alpha or beta unsaturated aldehyde and ketone. That is nothing but mechanism. See Nana, the formation of aldol produced through the following three equilibrium steps. Step number 1, see, copy this step. Step number 1, the base, already where is located base? Here, 10% of NaOH. The base OH minus ion, remove one of the alpha hydrogen atom from aldehyde and ketone to form a carboanion or enolate ion, which is stabilized by the resonance. So first step 1 in this mechanism, aldol condensation mechanism, what happened? From the base lo OH irikku, this OH directly attack to the alpha hydrogen. Direct, see here, OH group directly attack to the alpha hydrogen from the aldehyde group. Aprama NaH, carboanion is formed. See now, this is attacked to here, CH2, one lone pair of electrons is irukku. Aprama idi the carboanion is formed. This carboanion involved in the resonance, enolate ion is formed. What is that? Enolate ion. Because here double bonds are there na. This double bond shifting to the oxygen side, in between of the CH2 carbon, double bond is formed. So in the step number 1, acetaldehyde whenever treated with OH from the base, now here OH attack to the alpha hydrogen, hence carboanion or enolate ion is obtained. After resonance of carboanion, enolate ion is obtained. Now my dear students, the acidity of alpha hydrogen is due to the resonance stabilized to enolate ion. That is the most important. In step 2 Nana, see Nana, in the step 2, the enolate ion is a strong nucleophile. Listen very carefully. Enolate ion is represented Nu minus. It's a very strong nucleophile. Attack on the carbonyl carbon of second molecule of acetaldehyde, which act as a electrophile to form anion. So this is acetaldehyde. Now enolate. In the enolate, directly attack to carbon of second molecule, carbonyl compound of the second molecule of acetaldehyde. For example, in the acetaldehyde, because of two acetaldehydes are involved, two molecules are involved. First one already alpha hydrogen attack from the base OH group. Aprama second one enolate act as a nucleophile. This enolate attack to the one more aldehyde. So this is one more acetaldehyde act as a electrophile. Finally anion is obtained. Okay my dear students. And third step my dear students, the anion so formed takes up a proton from water to form aldol and OH ion is regenerated. So now this one is attacked to here, anion, water is attacked to anion. Finally aldol is obtained. After that aldol again treated with mineral acid. Finally alpha beta aldehyde, unsaturated aldehyde and ketones are formed. My dear students, this is the most important chemical reaction in aldehyde ketone, aldol condensation. I successfully completed in this session self aldol condensation and cross aldol condensation. And keep it in your mind, if any one of the aldehydes are involved in the aldol condensation with the help of the alkalis, the basic point is alpha hydrogen compulsory must contains. Alpha hydrogen compulsory must contains. Okay my dear students, in this reactions with alkali solution, in the sixth part of chemical properties of alkalis, one more chemical reactions are there, that is called Cannizzaro reaction. That Cannizzaro reaction I will be continue in my next class. Okay ma.